So let's us do this example by applying our method and by applying the formula that we derived before. So determine the sum Sn for this. I have T1, I have Tn, and I have n. Suppose again I don't remember my formula. I will just come here to my scrap paper and I will write 1, 2, 3 up to n. I will write the same thing in the opposite way. n minus 1, n minus 2, 1. I will add this to this. So I will have 1 plus n, 1 plus n, everything same, 1 plus n. So here I have n of 1 plus n, and I have here 2s, which means my s is equal to n times 1 plus n divided by 2. And I know, because here my first term is 1, I will write my formula is as this: T1, the first term, plus the last term, which is Tn, divided by 2. So I got my formula. Now I can start using it. So to use this in this question, so my Sn is equal to n, which I have here, n times T1 plus Tn divided by 2. And my n is 8 times T1, which is 7, plus Tn, which is 79, divided by 2. Perfect. So I will just put this number in my calculator and get the answer. So let's us apply our formula just we find right now. To solve this problem, we are asked to find n instead of finding Sn. This exercise is asking us to find Sn. It's a straightforward question. I will just put my Sn is equal to 608 is equal to n times T1, which is 8 plus 68 divided by 2, which give me 68 is equal to 38n. Then n is equal to 16. Same thing for the other section of this exercise. We will derive our other formula, which is, we know that Tn is T1 plus n minus 1d, and I will just use it in this formula here to get this one. So my Sn is equal to n times T1 plus T1 plus n minus 1 times d divided by 2, which is n times 2T1 plus n minus 1 times d divided by 2. I will use that in this example because we are asked to find T1. We have our d and we have Sn. We will just plug our numbers there to get the answer. So directly we can do it like this. So I can put my Sn, which is 574, is equal to n, which is 14 times 2T1 plus 14 minus 1 times 6, which is my d, divided by 2. And this will give me 574 is equal to 7 times 2T1 plus 78, which give me 574 is equal to 14T1 plus 546, which give me 28 is equal 14T1. So this tell me that T1 is equal to 2. You can see how useful to derive your formula by yourself. You don't need to remember it, to memorize it, but just derive it and use it directly in your